to shine at nung nabigyan siya ng pagkakataon to play on the floor, then definitely tumodo nga itong si Sydney. Ngayon, let's talk about the highlights of what happened in this game. Let's start off with set number 1. We're in, nanguna nga dito ang nasipit. They are aggressive at the onset until, of course, umabot pa yan ng first technical timeout until the second technical timeout. Pero nakahabol ng unti-unti itong Marikina, but still it was the Lady Spikers able to take control and win set number 1. Pagdating naman sa second set, dito better performance ang pinakita ng Marikina Lady Shoe Masters, and you have Joy Onofre together with, of course, Sydney Niegos. Talagang nangungunang pagdating sa gitna, and they definitely have proven themselves to be really tough when it comes to defense at the net. At naging tuloy-tuloy nga, or it was a connection of fluidity, good movement on the side of Marikina, kaya naman they are able to take control and set the tempo, winning set number 3. Pagdating naman sa set number 4, ito talaga yung pinakamahabang part of the match at walang gustong bumitaw, palitan ng puntos, palitan ng errors. Umabot nga tayo dito sa extended until the 30th dahil it was very crucial definitely for nasipit Lady Spikers this part of the game. At kumbaga, kaya nilang kumapit at nagpakita nga din dito definitely si Shika Espinosa and Kai Balwalwal leading that team, and that's that part of the game. Pero pagdating ng set number 5, ito hindi natin makita kanina kung nakanino yung advantage dahil palitan pa rin dito ng puntos, at still Espinosa and Balwalwal was steady in leading their team, but at the end the team captain, Shannon Palek, exhibited leadership, maturity, and then definitely, sabi ko nga, utakan ang larong ito.